Hey, we are in the Amazon rainforest. Where magic comes to life. Look around us, surrounded. Ready? The Amazon rainforest! It's a great place to go! Okay, let's go. Here we go through bushes. Come on, guys.
Wait. 40. I've got to go in 10 minutes.
Now we are.
I can't move.
No, pass it in there.
You go in front. Don't damage the camera. My back! Sorry, guys. Put it on. I can't see it. Got it? No! Stop pushing me! Let's go. Can you take my bag?
No, you won't.
No, I can't!
Go!
Okay, there we go. This is how tall it is.
Go, quick, run.
I want to zoom out. Okay. Oh my god, I'm going through it! It's right by me! Oh my god, we are at the path! That's it, guys! Wait! Wait! It's my shoe!
The shoe came off again.
Ow! Ow!
I'm getting attacked.
Okay.
This way!
We're going this way because it's the maze.
No, because it needs to go get back.
Yeah, well, it goes round in a fucking circle. Hurry up then.
Okay.
Quick, you've got to be quick. You can take your bag now.
Let's go.
Ow. Ow. Where's it?